Here we see a few options. Click Add Sound at the top. Click on the icon pick for the sound you want to hear. Click the right box to save. Click the blue arrow to choose. Your song is at the top. Click on AA to add text. Choose your font color and enter your text. Left slide up for big font, down for smaller. Use finger to position the text. Move up, down, or center where text is desired. Click Done. Click pencil icon on top left picture. Move slider below picture to choose a thumbnail. Click Done when chosen. Click Caption your short. Enter your title. Schedule a date. Click Upload Short.
Yeah.